Setmore Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of Setmore, the booking platform designed to streamline appointment scheduling for businesses and professionals. Links to explore Setmore and its features are included in the description below. Setmore is a powerful and user-friendly tool that simplifies appointment management for small businesses, freelancers, and service providers across industries like beauty, wellness, education, and more. Setmore's standout feature is its intuitive interface, making it easy for clients to book appointments and for businesses to manage schedules efficiently. Clients can access a personalized booking page to view available services, staff, and time slots, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free booking process. Businesses can customize their booking page to reflect their brand, including logos, colors, and service details, providing a professional and polished look. The platform offers multi-channel booking capabilities, allowing clients to book through your website, social media profiles like Facebook and Instagram, or directly via a shareable booking link. This flexibility ensures that customers can connect with your business from their preferred platform. For service providers, Setmore includes essential features such as calendar management, automated reminders, and online payment integration via Stripe or Square, reducing no-shows and streamlining payment collection. The platform also supports team scheduling, making it ideal for businesses with multiple staff members, as each team member can manage their own calendar within the system. The mobile app enhances the experience by giving users access to their schedules, bookings, and client information on the go. Whether you're managing appointments from a desktop or smartphone, Setmore keeps everything synchronized in real time. Setmore also includes tools to help grow your business, such as integration with platforms like Zoom for virtual appointments, analytics for tracking performance, and marketing features like email notifications and client feedback options. In summary, Setmore is an excellent solution for professionals and businesses looking to streamline their appointment processes and enhance customer satisfaction. Its ease of use, customization options, and robust features make it a top choice for both clients and providers. Check the links in the description to explore Setmore and elevate your booking experience today.